Welcome to Wilderness Survival. I'm Bucky McPherson. I've been placed out in the middle of the woods by myself with no idea of my whereabouts or the creatures that inhabit this area. Other than a small supply of food and water, the only other tools I had to help me get back to civilization are my wits, my pocket knife, and my M4 carbine. And from the looks of things, I think it might be a good idea to start going that way. Come on. It's the night of day one, and I had a pretty uneventful day. Didn't run into anything, didn't find any sources of water, and certainly didn't find any civilization. It's the middle of day two, and I still really haven't found any signs of wildlife yet. I'm starting to really think that this place is barren. Guys, what is that? Is that it's a bag of Doritos. It looks like it's a mother. I'm just gonna try to move over and get a better view of it. I think it spotted me. No. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Guys, I'm starting to think this is no ordinary forest. It's the evening of day 3 and I still haven't seen a single deer, bear, or even a rabbit. Other than that mother of Doritos that I saw yesterday, I've seen nothing. What the heck? What's that? What is that? It's another bag of Doritos. Looks like they're Cool Ranch. Is it eating a possum? I've seen some pretty weird things, guys. But that's just wrong. It's the night of day 4. And I'm slightly starting to get a little freaked out. I'm really hoping that nothing... No, not again, not again, not again! Ow! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's the middle of day 5, and I haven't found anything worth hunting out here since I got here. And after last night's experience, I really just want to go home. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Hunt down Doritos? Like, really? What's so hard about hunting down a bag of Doritos? It's the morning of day 6. It looks like the dogs are out for an early hunt. I've been running dangerously low on water, and thankfully the first thing I saw when I got up this morning is this beautiful little stream right here. One important rule about when you find water: conserve it. Oh. It's the night of day 7. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I just want to go home, sit on the couch, eat cheese puffs, play Xbox. Day 9. At this point, I don't think I'm ever going to get home. I'm out of energy. I'm done. Rule from me, guys. Just don't go out into the wilderness. What the? That's my house. Oh, come on!